Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something that's a total game changer in the world of cybersecurity, Fortinet. If you're serious about protecting your network, you've come to the right place. We're going to break down everything from the ground up, making it super simple to understand, even if you're just starting out. By the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp of how to build a rock-solid defense using one of the best tools in the industry. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to becoming a Fortinet Pro. First up, let's talk about the heart of Fortinet's ecosystem, the security fabric. Now, what is that exactly? Imagine all your security tools, your firewall, your antivirus, your email filter all working separately. It's like having a team of security guards who don't talk to each other. One guard might see something suspicious, but if they can't alert the others, your defenses are full of gaps. The Fortinet Security Fabric solves this. It's an intelligent framework that weaves all your Fortinet devices and services together into a single cohesive unit. They share threat intelligence in real time, automate responses, and give you a complete, unified view of your entire network. This means faster detection, smarter protection, and way less work for you. It's not just about having a firewall. It's about having an integrated, automated security system that works together to protect you from every angle. This concept is fundamental, so really let it sink in. It's the foundation of everything we're going to build on today. Now that we understand the big picture with the security fabric, let's zoom in on its most critical component, the FortiGate firewall. This device is the gatekeeper of your network. Mastering its configuration is your #1 priority. Getting started is actually more straightforward than you might think. When you first unbox your FortiGate, you'll connect it to your network and access the web-based interface. This is your command center. The initial setup wizard will guide you through the basics, like setting up your internet connection and creating a simple admin password. But we're not stopping there. To truly take control, you'll want to configure your network interfaces. This involves assigning IP addresses to the different ports on the device, defining which ports connect to your internal network, which one goes out to the internet, and maybe even setting up a special zone for your servers, often called a DMZ. Getting these initial settings right is crucial because it lays the groundwork for all the advanced security policies we'll be creating later. Think of it as building the walls of your fortress before you post the guards. With our FortiGate's basic setup complete, it's time to get into the really powerful stuff, implementing advanced security policies. This is where you tell the firewall exactly what to do with the traffic flowing through it. A firewall policy is essentially a set of rules. It looks at traffic coming from a source, going to a destination, and decides whether to allow it or block it, but it goes so much deeper than that. For example, you can create a policy that says allow employees in the marketing department to access social media sites, but only during their lunch break, or block all traffic from this list of known malicious countries. You can also enable security profiles within your policies. This is where the magic happens. You can turn on antivirus scanning, web filtering to block inappropriate websites, and intrusion prevention, or IPS, to stop known attack patterns in their tracks. By layering these security profiles onto your policies, you're not just controlling traffic, you're actively inspecting it for threats. This multi-layered approach is what makes FortiGate so effective at stopping modern, sophisticated attacks. Theory is great, but there's no substitute for getting your hands dirty. That's why hands-on labs are absolutely essential for mastering FortiGate. The best way to learn is by doing. So how can you practice? One of the best options is to use a virtual environment. You can download a FortiGate VM or virtual machine for free from Fortinet's support site. You can run this on your own computer using software like VMware Workstation Player or VirtualBox. This allows you to build a complete virtual lab with multiple FortiGate devices, virtual PCs, and servers, all without needing any physical hardware. In this safe, sandboxed environment, you can experiment freely. Try setting up a site-to-site VPN between two virtual FortiGates. Practice configuring different web filter profiles. Deliberately misconfigure a policy to see what happens and learn how to troubleshoot it. Making mistakes in a lab is the best way to learn because it won't impact a live production network. This hands-on experience is what will build your confidence and turn theoretical knowledge into practical, real-world skills. Trust me, spending time in a lab environment will accelerate your learning curve immensely. Let's imagine you've deployed your FortiGate, configured your policies, and everything is running smoothly. How do you know it's actually working? How do you spot potential problems before they become major incidents? This is where effective monitoring comes in. FortiGate provides an incredible suite of tools to give you deep visibility into your network traffic. The main dashboard itself is a goldmine of information, showing you real-time data on top applications, top destinations, and any threats that have been blocked. But for a deeper dive, you'll want to explore the log and report section. Here you can see detailed logs for every single session that passes through your firewall. You can filter by source IP, destination port, or even the policy that the traffic matched. This is invaluable for troubleshooting if a user complains they can't access a specific website. You can check the logs to see exactly why the traffic was denied. Furthermore, tools like Fortianalyzer and FortiCloud can take this a step further, collecting logs from all your Fortinet devices and generating comprehensive reports that can help you identify trends, spot anomalies, and prove compliance to auditors. Monitoring isn't a passive activity. It's an active process of watching, analyzing, and understanding what's happening on your network. So to wrap everything up, let's quickly recap what we've covered. We started with the big picture, understanding the Fortinet security fabric and how it creates a unified, intelligent defense system. Then we dove into the core component, the FortiGate firewall, and walked through the essential first steps of configuration. From there, we unlocked its true power by learning how to implement advanced security policies with layered security profiles like antivirus, web filtering, and IPS. We emphasize the critical importance of hands-on labs, using virtual machines to practice and build real-world skills in a safe environment. Finally, we saw how to keep a close eye on everything by effectively monitoring traffic and using logs to troubleshoot and maintain security posture. By mastering these 5 areas, you're not just learning about a product. You're adopting a comprehensive security strategy that will dramatically enhance your network's protection. It's a journey, but one that is absolutely worth it. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this deep dive into Fortinet. I hope you found it valuable and that you feel more confident about tackling network security. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in a future video, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.